Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I have come up with this Instagram hack that has been trending worldwide. Now this is a face mask with only 2 ingredients, and this is like my current favorite. Not just current favorite, it's like my savior. It's like a blessing to me that since the day I've got it, I have like so many blackheads and whiteheads on my nose and around here. I have whiteheads here, I have around here, everywhere, and then on my chin, and then I have some facial hair here. So just to get rid of all of that, I have got this face mask. So the things that you required are this Fevicol Emma. Make sure to get this Fevicol Emma. This is something that is easily available in India and you can get your hands on it very easily. Then you will need this activated charcoal. Now I got this from Chandni Chowk. Now they have such supplies there, so I just went there. I got this whole pack from there. I'll link from where you can buy this activated charcoal in the description box below, so make sure to check it out. And then you'll need this bowl, an empty bowl, whatever you have, and then a synthetic face pack brush like this. What you have to do is just take this bowl and add in 1 tablespoonful of this activated charcoal, and into this just mix your Fevicol. Then with the brush just mix everything. Take this mask. This is gonna be really thick and just work as soon as possible because this is going to dry out. Start spreading it all over your face. Now what activated charcoal does to your skin, it just like removes all the impurities, all the dirt, all the sebum that your face has generated over the time, and also it will help in removing all the blackheads, whiteheads. When I pull it, you'll see how it's gonna work. Another important tip is that you do not have to apply it like every 15 days or 10 days. You just need it every month. You don't have to go over the board. Go too close to your eye area because it's going to get pulled, so you don't want your eye area to get pulled. It's the most sensitive part of your face. So once you have applied this mask, you have to wait till it completely dries out. Like it can take 10 minutes to some, it can take 20 minutes to some, it can take 30 minutes to some, or even 40 minutes. So I'll wait till the mask completely dries out and then I'll show you how to remove it the right way. So my mask is completely dry now and I'm going to remove it. Make sure to remove it upwards. Like you can see here, I am pulling it upwards. Now this will help in removing all the extra facial hair you have or any kind of blackheads or whiteheads. So just remove it upwards. Be really gentle with your skin because this is something that your skin doesn't want. As you can see how nicely and how softly I'm removing my mask. Just remove it upwards. Be very gentle around your eye area. And try peeling it off nicely. Wash my face now and I can't tell you how soft my skin feels now. It feels like a baby skin. I've got rid of a lot of pimples here. You can see how my nose is like just glowing, and all the blackheads here. This feels so soft. There's nothing that I can feel. I have got rid of a lot of facial hair from this area and this area as well. So after that, I'm just going to tone my face with a toner, and then we'll top it up with both the moisturizer, first with aloe vera gel and then with my Khadi moisturizer, and then I'm done with my face regime, and I'm just like so happy with what it came out to be. If you like the video, hit like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I'll come up with new interesting videos very soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.